Well, hello, Divi Nation, and welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away 2 free Divi Layout Packs from our design team straight to you. And for the first layout pack this week, we have for you a brand new Suit Tailor Layout Pack. This layout pack is custom fit for any suit tailor looking to promote their alteration and tailoring services online, with a modern and a practical design. The landing page effectively drives visitors to book appointments, and it includes dedicated pages for showcasing services with custom icons and images that will work with any tailoring company website. So check it out. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this Suit Tailor Layout Pack on your own website. Now before you can start adding pre-made layouts to your website, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. To do that, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Divi Theme Options. There, go ahead and click the Updates tab, and then enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. After that, you're ready to start adding your new pages with their corresponding pre-made layouts. So to get started on that, you'll need to go over to create a new page by going to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and enter a title for your page and then deploy the Visual Builder. Then select the option to choose a pre-made layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll down until you find the Suit Tailor Layout Pack and click on it. There you'll see a preview of all of the different pages included in the pack. Select the one you want on the right and then click the Use This Layout button. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it. And after that, you're ready to continue this process to create all of your pages with their corresponding layouts. And after that, you'll want to go ahead and do the next step, which is to add a primary menu to your website. To do that, you'll go back to your WordPress dashboard and then navigate to Appearance, Menus. Give your menu a name, and then click the Create Menu button. After that, over here on the left, you'll see all of your pages listed. You'll want to select all of the pages that you created and then add them to your menu. Under your menu structure area here, you'll want to reorganize the menu items however you like. And then don't forget to set your display location to primary menu. Then click Save Menu. And for one final step, you'll want to add a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Then under your home page displays, select a static page, and then for the home page, go ahead and find the home page that you created with the home page pre-made layout. Then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the Suit Tailor Layout Pack. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love this new Suit Tailor Layout Pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future free layout packs we'll be throwing your way. And don't forget to check out our next one, which should be released on Friday. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.